Hi everyone, hope you're all doing okay and welcome back to the channel. If you've clicked on this video, you're looking for a step-by-step car wash routine that's simple to follow and gets great results. Today I'll be taking you through my full car wash routine using the products I genuinely like using and trust on my own car. As we go along, I'll explain why I use each one, what it does and how much it costs, so you can decide if it's worth buying. Right at the end of the video, I will add up the total cost of everything I've used. It might be more or less than you expect, but the best part is these products will last for plenty of washes, so they're not just a one-time use. So whether you're new to detailing or just looking for a straightforward car wash routine, this video is for you. Right, that's enough of me talking. Let's get cleaning. I always start off with Autoglym HD Shampoo. It creates a thick, rich lather that helps lift dirt away from the paintwork while being gentle on any existing wax or sealant. It has great lubrication too, which helps reduce the risk of swell marks during the wash. First of all, I move on to the wheels, using the Meguiar's angled wheel brush. The angled head makes it much easier to reach behind the spokes and into those awkward areas, helping remove built-up brake dust and road grime without too much effort. For washing the bodywork, I use the Autoglym Mitt. It's soft, it holds plenty of shampoo and it glides smoothly over the paint. It does a great job of lifting dirt while helping to minimise the chance of scratching the finish. Once the car is clean, it's time to dry it using my Sam's drying towel. Now this towel is super absorbent, so it quickly removes water without needing lots of passes, leaving the paintwork streak free and helping to prevent water spots. With the bodywork dry, I clean all the glass using Autoglym Fast Glass. It cuts through the fingerprints, road film and light dirt with ease, leaving the windows crystal clear and completely streak free. To finish off the trim, I apply Autoglym Vinyl and Rubber Care. It restores colour to plastic and rubber surfaces, leaving a clean satin finish, and also helps protect them from fading caused by UV exposure. The final step is Autoglym Instant Tyre Dressing. A quick spray gives the tyres a clean, even finish and really completes the overall look of the car. Depending on how much you apply, you can leave a subtle satin finish or build up to a glossier shine. Right, that's the cleaning done. Let's take a look at the results. I'm happy with how the car has turned out, and hopefully you have enjoyed watching something a little different from the usual product review. This is pretty much what I do every couple of weeks or so to keep the car looking the best I can. Let me know in the comments about your regular maintenance washes and the products you enjoy using. Also, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. It is free and it would really help the channel grow. As always, thank you for watching and all the support you have shown the channel. It genuinely means a lot. So until the next one, I will catch you then.